President Jacob Zuma will be launching the Dube Trade Port in Durban, and organised business says the Cosatu strike against labour brokering and e-tolls may have cost the economy up to 12 billion rand. I'm Richard Brooks. President Jacob Zuma will today launch the Dube Trade Port in Durban. This is a major milestone in government's massive multi-billion rand investment in infrastructure development. The launch of the trade port takes place just a few weeks after the President's State of the Nation address, in which he unveiled financial support for a number of spatial development initiatives. Chepo Ekaning reports.
According to KwaZulu-Natal government, the envisaged aerotropolis will create a world-class physical and operational environment geared towards the attraction of both domestic and foreign direct investment into the provincial economy. Currently, the Dube Trade Port has fully completed the first phase of its implementation program. The first phase included a cargo terminal, a trade zone, the Dube City infrastructure, an agri-zone, and the IT and telecommunications platform. President Zuma would use the occasion to unveil a statue of educationist, author, newspaper publisher, and founding president of the ANC, Dr. John Langa Libalele Dube, after whom the trade port is named. Tsepo Ikaning for SABC Radio News in Durban.
Organised business says the Cosatu strike against labour brokering and e-tolls may have cost the economy up to 12 billion rand. Thousands of protesters marched in 32 towns and cities yesterday. SA Chamber of Commerce and Industry CEO Naren Rao explains.
We're looking at costs in the order of 10 billion, 12 billion, and maybe even tens of billions if it grows in impact.
The future of low-cost carrier Velvet Sky hangs in the balance. This as two separate applications were postponed in the Pietermaritzburg High Court yesterday. In the meantime, Velvet Sky aircraft remain grounded. Rilani Beloy has the latest.
The Pietermaritzburg High Court has been told that the prospects of Velvet Sky ever recovering were very slim. The carrier is said to be owing creditors amounts in excess of more than 100 million rand. This include more than 20 million rand owed to BP and close to 4 million rand owed to Umzano Transport Services. However, the airline CEO Devon Pillay says if capital was forthcoming from a possible new investor, Velvet Sky would be able to meet its daily expenses and operate profitably within a reasonable time. He says talks with two neighboring African countries for additional routes have taken place. The case is to be heard again in court at a date still to be determined. Rulani Baloy, SABC News.
The US dollar is trading at 7 Rand 58, sterling is trading at 11 Rand 94, and the euro is trading at 9 Rand 98. Platinum is trading at $1,634.24, and gold is trading at $1,685.84 a fine ounce. Brent crude oil is currently trading at $126.83 a barrel.